Welcome, today I'm with Huawei SoundJoy wireless speaker and I'm going to show you how we can power on and power off this device. It's very simple. At first we have to just move to this control panel that we can find right here, and we got a few buttons. Of course, to turn on this device we have to click this button, this power button, once. Take a look. You have to just press it hard, and after that your device is turned on. And it's also automatically moved to the pairing mode. To turn it off, just click once. If it is not working, just click and hold it for 2 seconds. When you release, you will hear that notification sound and the icon will be not lights up. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.